NVIDIA Audio2Face lets you instantly create expressive facial animation from just an audio source using generative AI. PyAudio2Face, on the other hand, is a handy Python SDK which lets you create these animations from script without touching the GUI and without relying on other third-party tools. This opens a whole range of possibilities for game developers, movie developers, and other people working in the animation space. Let's start from the beginning. What is Audio2Face? NVIDIA published this little demo video which showcases the application. On the left side we have our little Mark. Mark is a virtual avatar. With Audio2Face we can change the set of emotions Mark expresses, like amazement or anger. Let's have a look. And here comes the essence of Audio2Face. Given an audio file, Audio2Face infers what emotions Mark should express. It then generates the animation, including lip movements and facial expression.
It's so dark. Where is it? I can't see it. I can't see anything. But I know it's there. Waiting.
To come back to the main topic of this video, PyAudio2Face. PyAudio2Face was published by Society. Society published a bunch of easy-to-use SDKs for generative AI. In a mini demo application, I'm now going to show you how PyAudio2Face works. To do so, I have some test audio files. Given those, I will then generate some animations with PyAudio2Face. Secondly, we will use the streaming feature of PyAudio2Face, stream directly to the application. Here a short snippet of the test audio file.
I mean, I always sung, but I'd never sung publicly professionally before in front of anyone else. I'd never horse ridden for a movie before. I'd never danced for a movie before.
As you can hear, it's quite expressive audio. Let's go to the demo script. I'm working with PyAudio2Face version 0.1.3. On the right side, I opened Audio2Face to showcase what the script does. First, we will set the emotions. Then we will generate the lip sync animations with the preset emotion range. Secondly, we let Audio2Face infer the emotions from audio by setting Motion Auto Detect feature to true. Thirdly, we explore the streaming option of PyAudio2Face. Let's run the script. As you can see, we started with an empty scene on the right, and PyAudio2Face automatically loads a basic scene with Mark. And also you can see that the emotions were set to the ones we defined in the set emotion script here. So now we have the anger set to 0.9. Also to mention is that this is already the blend shape solved version of Mark. In this case, the export will work fine and you can use these USD files in other applications also. Now we will generate the lip movements without additional emotion detection. In this regard, the set emotion range will stay persistent. As you can see, Mark starts to talk and the animations are generated, even some blinking of the eyes, as you have seen. As you can recognize, now the emotions and the facial expressions are changed according to the audio file. Finally, we will test the streaming feature. Herefore, we use the audio to stream feature of the Python module media toolkit. This gives a Python generator which yields NumPy arrays of the audio file. Note that now a different scene is loaded in Audio2Face. This is necessary because the audio player is replaced by a streaming audio player. Also now Python will communicate with gRPC instead of HTTP requests. A final note. In the graph, the streaming audio player is just connected to all the necessary components. That means also that, for example, the stream live link feature you can see here is available. For this reason, it should be easy to use Audio2Face in, for example, your games in a live link mode. Speaking about combining disruptive technologies, Society also provides an easy-to-use Python SDK for text-to-speech synthesis, which is called SpeechCraft. Using both Audio2Face and SpeechCraft, you can now generate and animate a character from scratch just by a given text, which is kinda awesome for any creator. Let's check how that sounds like.
I love society. What a day to make voiceovers with artificial intelligence.
The best thing about this is this was created with just 10 seconds of audio of Emma Watson. And nonetheless, it sounds quite like her. And now you could create Emma in your video games with Audio2Face and her voice. Thanks for watching, and now have fun with your generative AI. Write down in the comments what you are using Audio2Face for, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.